So you are new to affiliate marketing, or you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, and you're wondering, could I just use YouTube for all of my affiliate marketing efforts? That's what you might be thinking. If you're thinking that, I got an answer for you right now. Now, if you are getting into affiliate marketing right now, or just trying to make money online, even promoting your own products, this is one of the best times to do it. Why? Because there are so many different places and ways that you can promote affiliate products, right? All of the social media platforms out there, they're all competing with each other. They're really trying to make it where, you know, they get all the attention. And that is great news for people like us. All right. So whenever you get into affiliate marketing, different courses and watching YouTube videos, everybody has their platforms, right? They tell you, oh, well, okay, you need to be on YouTube. Then somebody else can be like, look, you're trying to do affiliate marketing, you need to take your ass to TikTok. Then somebody else can be like, damn, TikTok, all you need is Facebook, right? Somebody else gonna say, I make all my money from Pinterest, right? But what if you just want to use YouTube? Me personally, I would say 90 to 95% of my marketing on YouTube, right? A lot of it. And with all of the changes that YouTube have been making, are currently making, and plan on making, I can honestly say, all right, that if somebody just wanted to use YouTube only, I think they could, right? I think they could. Now, would I still add something in general? I would, you know what I'm saying? But I would have at least another platform or method that you're using to promote your affiliate products. Why? Because you just never ever know, right? Even though YouTube seemed cool and it's doing all these changes and all this, like they still could in 2 years just be like, oh, well, we're done, we're down, okay, we're making this, we're getting rid of all links and all videos or whatever, right? You never ever know. So it's cool to have a little backup. But I will say this, I do think it is very possible to put a big chunk of your time into YouTube. Why? Because YouTube has the long form video thing. They really got that on lock, right? But as of late, they've been competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels with their YouTube Shorts, which is making it now you can just create very, very short videos and get a lot of attention to your videos, and AKA promoting your affiliate products, right? So YouTube is making it extremely easy to promote affiliate products because, like I said, they got the long form videos you can do. They got the shorts now. They got the live streams you can do. They got the community chats now on YouTube. It's just so many opportunities where if you are one of them people that's just like, yo, I really just want like one platform, right? You can use YouTube for that, in my opinion. But you gotta go hard with it. I highly suggest you come up with a little plan, right? Because YouTube does have a lot going on right now. So come up with a little plan, and the plan could be, hey, all right, I'm promoting this, I'm in this niche, I'm promoting this product or these products, whatever. I'm going to post 2 long form videos a week and 2 shorts a week. And I'm gonna go live every other week, right? That could be your strategy. Or your strategy might be, 1 video a week and 3 shorts and go live once a month, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, come up with a strategy, come up with a system. Because if you come up with that, it's easier to follow and you feel more productive when you know what you need to do, and it makes it easier to kind of check your results. And then maybe you might want to switch it up. Maybe you're like, ooh, I need to do more shorts and more live streams, and maybe slow down on the long form videos, or vice versa, right? But yeah, guys, I mean, YouTube is popping right now. So if you are into affiliate marketing, this is the time to hop on YouTube, experiment with it, but go hard. Like, there's no reason why you can't go hard on YouTube now. Even with just the shorts, you can just make YouTube shorts right now. I highly suggest throwing in a long form video every now and then, But if you just want to focus on shorts on YouTube, you could. One other thing though, I will suggest, if you really don't want to use any other platforms, you're like, dude, I don't even want a Facebook or TikTok or whatever, any of that, at least build you a list, right, from YouTube. Get you some sort of autoresponder, whether it be from Aweber or was it Get Response. I personally use Leads Leap, right? That's my recommended autoresponder because it does everything all the other companies do and more, and it's cheaper. All right, so I'll put a link to Leads Leap if you want to get started with that. Absolutely free. You can check that out and start using it today. But I just say this, why at least, if you're only going to use YouTube, be able to collect people's emails, have opt-in pages, on your videos, because once again, if something were to happen to YouTube, hopefully it doesn't, if something were to happen with it, you'll still at least have your email list, right? So say you have an email list of 1,000 people and something happened to YouTube, or you decide to leave YouTube and decide to go to Facebook or another platform. Now you have an email list where you could actually just email all your subscribers and let them know, hey guys, I'm moving over to Facebook, whatever. Come check me out over here. Here's my fan page or business page or whatever. And that's a way you can still communicate with people regardless of what happens with YouTube. So sum this up. If you want to just ride YouTube, I think you can be very successful. You can follow me because that's what I'm doing right now. Now, if you want to check out my top 3 affiliate programs that I am currently making money with, you can check them out in the description as well as the pinned comment of this video.